What's up guys? Welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I'm going to show you the ROCHOBBY's new crawlers. Now let's unbox it. So light. Yes, that's it. The 112 Jeep Willys. It's smaller than the former ROCHOBBY's released 1/6. Now look at the box here. So beautiful. Just like a wooden box, but it isn't. It's just forms. And you can see it has some instructions. Now let's unbox it. Here. So beautiful. Wow. The smallest. Here is the transmitters. Wow, the transmitter has some carbon fiber stickers here. Looks beautiful. This may be 3 or 2 channels, whatever. I don't know what is it. The batteries, small 2S batteries. It's only 380 mAh. And here is the charger and some other tools. Whoa, here it is. That's all. Let's see the little guys. So cute, doesn't it? It's smaller than the former 1/6, but it has all the functions just as the former. The wheels is so soft, but unfortunately there is no foams in the tires. Hello, good. The universal shaft is metals. Perfect. And you can see the suspensions are just like the real ones. Not use the springs. Here's your exhaust, axe and shovels. And even the steering rod are also metals here. Let's see the seats. This is not plastic. It is just like the real ones. Soft. Unfortunately, the steerings are not rotated with the servos. I think because it's small, it's just 1/12. And the windshield and the wipers are all also can move. So cute. And even this. Now let's open the hood. Is it right? So, yes. Wow, look at it. There's small servos, VSC and receivers all in one. Here, I just to put the batteries here. It will work. Now let's open it. Oh, it didn't have the switch, off power switch. Wow, you can see the transmitter has two lights, just like a supercar. I think they're like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari. So cute. Now let's test it. Here, when I turn left, the light is shining. But why did it a red light? I think this is not real Jeep Willys. Red indicators. Let's see the tail light. When I move forward, the tail light becomes lighter. There's no rear indicators. Let's see it move. Wow, sorry for my formal mistake. Here you can see the steering wheel is rotated with the soles. Wow, there's 2 speed in this little car. It's amazing. This is the high speed and low speed change channels. Now this is the low speed. You can see very slow, very slow. Then I will change for high speed. Yes, you can see so fast. For little guys, low speed. There's the max speed of the low speed gear. Wow, the big 1.6 Willys didn't have the 2-speed change. It's amazing. Now let's do some little test. Low speed. So smooth. Unfortunately, I want to turn on this light. I hear some wires in the rear of the light. I think it didn't dedicate, so I will try to turn on the light. Oh, there is a channel 5, channel 4, channel 6. It didn't work. it didn't work here. It didn't work, but it has wires. I don't know why. I will ask the companies to tell me why. And I even found some other things. There is a metal CVD here. So even though this is a little trap, the ROCHOBBYs use all over the metals. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye.